Hello friends, welcome back and good morning. As our exercise 4.2, chapter number 4, practical geometry, standard 8, mathematics. Now here the question given to us to construct a rhombus BEND and two different measurement given to us, BN 5.6 centimeter and DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now rhombus, you know the property of rhombus. Using this property we can just construct a rhombus BEND. This quadrilateral can be completed, but first of all we will just draw a rough sketch of it. Rough sketch. Okay, so BEND, BEND. So we know that DE is a diagonal. How much? 6.5 centimeter. Second thing they have given, what they have given? BN. BN again they are diagonal. That is 5.6 centimeter. So here they have not given any of the side. Okay, they have given two diagonals. So we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other exactly at 90 degree, that is right angle. So this is the property of rhombus. So we will draw 90 degree बनाना पड़ेगा diagonals को. One is DE, that is 6.5, and BN, that is 5.6. How we will draw? So first of all, using scale we will draw 5.6 measurement. 5 point and 5.5 के बाद एक point और, so 6, 5.6, and we will just join these two. Okay, and they have given BN. Okay, now we want to draw a perpendicular line to it, which is DE. So taking N, and you know always मैं हमेशा 3 सेंटीमीटर लेता हूँ. कितना लेता हूँ? 3 सेंटीमीटर. लेकिन अगर डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल भी बोलते हैं, दे आर सेइंग देयर डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल एंड इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर बिकॉज ऑल साइड्स ऑल्सो इक्वल है ना. इन अ रोम्बस ऑल साइड्स ऑल्सो इक्वल. ओके, सो एंड डायगोनल इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट 90 डिग्री. दोनों पॉइंट होते हैं उसके. सो दिस इज 6.5. वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन 5.6 सेंटीमीटर. Now we want to draw 6.5 perpendicular to it. So friends, we will draw it. So as we used to do the perpendicular line, similarly more than half of it, first of all we will get where does it cut. So from N on both the side, more than half distance I have taken, and from B same measurement from B on both the side. So top and bottom on both the side I will just intersect it. So these are the 2 points of intersection. But B, E, N and D, so the measurement of 6.5, what they have given, the measurement is of 6.5. okay, हम चाहते थे उसको हाफ हाफ भी लेते थे, ओके। बट मैं एक परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ सबसे पहले। तो दिस इज लाइन एंड द डिस्टेंस 6.5, 6.5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कर सकते हो, वैसे भी कर सकते हैं आप। 3 ऊपर ले लो, 2 नीचे ले लो, दैट वे ऑल्सो यू कैन गो इट आउट, ओके। सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू कि इसको हम कैसे डिवाइड करते हैं। सो 3 + 3.5 ऐसे भी कर सकते हो। सो अगर आप ऊपर 3 लेते हो यहाँ से, तो नीचे 3.5 तक आ जाएगा। सो दिस इज द पॉइंट एंड हियर इज द पॉइंट। सो नेम दिस पॉइंट and this one, B, E, N and D. So I will join this with the help of and diagonal. Okay, then if while I measure this, these two are equal, these two are equal, this total BE is 6.5 centimeter, this one is 5.6 centimeter. Thank you.